Anniversary above Penmaenmawr. I don't know where we're going except up. I don't know yet that we're already falling into step, that this is what a path is, a means of edging along against a drop or inland lostness, never possession but movement. These years later, sweep of sea far off below us, we loop back on bracken, lanolin, grasshopper rasp of our own ghosts and everyone else's. You are here, by the quarry's cut-out skyline, crossed tracks of Ermeini Hirion, and it's time to turn into another version of ourselves, unfolded in a ring of rocks, a ring of steps around the sun, the ring of a gate that opens on a day escaping its enclosure.